Use the tools afforded to you by government, meaning your budget and the local government. The tools afforded you by your family, meaning your education. The tools afforded you by the nation. On the tools afforded to you by your family, your income, your family incomes, the tools afforded to you by your nation, the educational and career opportunities, use these tools to become doctors, lawyers, farmers, healthcare workers, leaders in high-tech and clean tech, and many other noble professions. The vision we have of a young nation must include creating high-paying jobs right here at home, not just abroad. We love and value our expatriates. We honor their service and their sacrifice. Yet, we must work for a day when you will be at your peak, when a job abroad is a career choice and not the only option available to a hard-working Filipino. In addition to jobs at home, we must build a new quality of life that keeps you, our young people here, that keeps our nation young and beautiful, like you, the majority of its people. So it is to you, the next generation, that I ask to join me in a Green Philippines campaign. What is the meaning of this Green Philippines, especially for our young? We must take back our forests and replenish fallen trees with new protected forests to protect our land and our people. That is for you who live in the mountain areas of the country. We must reforest that land and bring back the beauty of the Philippines we all love and want. We want to tap the enthusiasm of young and old alike to clean our environment. For you who come from areas with no forest, because you are in the urban areas, we need to beautify our trashy barangays and cities. We need to build more urban parks and recreation areas. We need to purify our water. We need to clean up unhealthy and eyesore industrial sites. Some of these need to be done by the national government and the regulators, but some of them can be done by the youth, especially the SK. As part of our Green Philippines, we want an energy-efficient nation, free from reliance on costly and exhaust-spewing cars and smokestacks. That is for our regulators. We can harness our sun, wind, and geothermal resources and produce our own clean fuels. Again, to do geothermal power, solar power, wind power, that is for the business community. But we can also produce clean fuel through biofuels and rely less on foreign suppliers. And SK can plant the materials for biofuels. We need the will of the people to encourage the political leaders to embrace this new, clean, green Philippines, and you represent the majority of our people. This is a perfect time to devote ourselves to Green Philippines programs because Congress has passed legislation on the development and promotion of renewable energy sources, which I will soon sign into law. We want to turn our coral reefs and beaches, the wonder of the world, into national parks and international sanctuaries for ecotourism and scientific research. The proclamation will be done by the national government. The scientific research will be done by the science professionals, but promoting ecotourism is something that can be done by the young in the SK. We have the chance to develop our nation right from the start, clean, healthy, productive, and beautiful. And I hope you, our young people today, you, our SK, will be part of this green Philippines. And your terms are what? How long is your term? 3 years? 5 years? 3 years. Let's try to make this happen within the 3 years of your term. These are just a few ideas because you, the SK, can provide your own ideas when you start thinking of what projects you should do. But I call on you, our youth, to respond to this call to bring to action new innovative thinking on land management, on care for our environment, and ways to create jobs and have a clean, socially responsible environment policy. We need to get beyond the era of either-or thinking on the environment. We must embrace change and be bold in creating a green Philippines that is both green and economically successful. The Philippines can become a model of environmental stewardship within 10 years. In 10 years, you will be at your prime. You will be the leaders not only of your communities, but of the nation. And if you begin this Green Philippines now, you will have a much easier time being a leader of the nation in 10 years from now. That is why we need your help to move that vision forward. I have strong faith in our youth. I have strong faith in our SK. I know you will not shirk from these challenges. I know you will not neglect your country and abandon your future. And so, what I would like to do in order to encourage you to be able to allocate your SK funds into this Green Philippines campaign, some of which I have already given examples of. I will give a fund to the SK of 10 million pesos as equity in the projects that will be approved by your council. To all of you, congratulations, best wishes on your National Congress. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam President. And